everybody. In the car here with Arul.
Yes.
Oh, Arul. Thanks for driving. Arul's going to do translation today. Today we are off to, I found a Volvo workshop in Bandung, and I met the guy yesterday, and he is a super nice fella, and he's got quite a collection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Isuzu, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to try and sit down with him and ask him a few questions about his cars, and actually brought the camera to go and actually get a look at the cars, a closer look at the cars, and document the cars that he has and the cars that he's worked on and things like that. So we'll see how we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Here we are at the front of the workshop. You can see he's got a Defender and a couple of bonnets up, but what I thought was most interesting here was that there's no hoists. You just put the jack underneath and you start fixing those cars. Oh, we got some work done to it. Custom pipes. Yeah, custom blow-off valve.
Yeah, pull up, but
turbo noises, yeah. It's so clean. It is so clean in here. Yeah. Yeah. So after a tour of the front workshop, he proceeds to hop in a car and take us for a little drive down the back and to have a look at the rest of the gems. So this particular one here, that's a front end that we don't actually get in Australia. So I was very keen to see that, and it looks awesome.
Nice.
And in black as well, with that red, like that blood red interior, is sick. And then he's got this cream car here with like the GT headlights, and he's cut it and shut it, and surprisingly it was actually a sedan. Usually you see wagons cut up, but this one was actually a sedan cut and then turned into a ute. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like that's taken a fair amount of work to do all that. Oh yeah, engine bay. Ah, carburetor. Yeah, carburetor. So clean again. Oh, carburetor again. Yeah. So diving deeper into the rest of the workshop, he's got a 960 here at the front. And then he's got more black cars. They must like black cars in Indonesia. But he's got rare wheels, like rare Volvo wheels on there that you just cannot find in Australia. And again, another set of wheels on this car that are very difficult to find. Not as difficult as the first set, but pretty difficult. These are all turbo cars as well, which I think is pretty sick. And then again, like another set that, you know, is middle level of rareness. But another black car. And I just think that the black cars look so damn good. And another
one.
This is Volvo?
Yeah, this is all Volvo.
Oh yeah. And that car on the end under the green sheet? Oh, Celica.
Nissan. It's Nissan.
Nissan?
Nissan apa? This have a 2 doors.
2 door?
Yeah. Like a sport. See?
Oh wow.
Very rare, man.
Yeah. Yeah, wow. Oh, that's nice. In red as well. It goes fast in red. Oh, another turbo car. And another turbo car. Oh wow. Very nice. Oh yeah, yeah. What's the big four-wheel drive?
It's Nissan.
Nissan?
Yeah.
So Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Volvo. Oh, the Patrol. Nissan Patrol. I haven't seen one here yet in Indonesia.
It's my first time to see this car.
Yeah? Yeah, your first time seeing the car too, Arul?
I thought this one is tough, GT like that.
Oh,
Daihatsu, you know?
yeah. Look at the back on it. It's got the high roof back on it. Oh, the seats as well. He's got the seats. So those fold down and then there's more seating in the back. How cool is that?
It's good for Dakar like that.
Dakar, yeah, yeah. It looks so good. Even the seats he's got. Yeah. There's dust on it, like it's original. The seal's all nice on it. That has to be repainted. I'll have to ask him if it's repainted when we sit down somewhere.
This repaint. This nut.
Oh, okay. The magic
I know
tap.
sounds.
Yeah, yeah. And this one in the corner here, can we?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, just open. CJ, yeah?
Ah, the Jeep. He's got a Jeep too. Wow, look at that colour.
It's a little more bigger.
Oh, that colour is just amazing. Oh, two-tone. Oh. Wow. That is just awesome. There you go, Dan. A little Jeep for you. Look at that. We better put the cover back over for him, eh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the Isuzu, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 in this room. Customer cars, I guess. All right, Arul, are you ready, mate?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, firstly, I'd just like to say thank you for showing me around your office.
Terima kasih buat liatin semuanya.
And around your workshop. I really appreciate that.
Workshopnya bagus gitu ya, Pak.
It's very amazing to see so many nice cars. What actually got you into Volvos? Why do you like Volvos so much?
Kenapa suka Volvo, kenapa nggak yang lain gitu, Pak?
Begitu saya kerja di Volvo.
Oh, you've been working in Volvo.
Oh,
Yeah.
worked for Volvo?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Di Jakarta.
In Jakarta.
In Jakarta? Okay.
Last time
okay.
you worked on Volvo in Jakarta.
So on the engines, the bodies, on assembly line?
Semuanya, semua body kayak gitu-gitu.
Betul. Semua body ada.
Yeah, all the
Yeah,
all.
semua all.
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. That's great. How many cars has he owned so far?
Berapa banyak mobil sampai sejauh ini yang Bapak punya?
Aduh lupa lagi.
Dia just forget.
Too many?
Too many, I think, yeah.
Lupa lagi.
Just forget.
Yang ini kan baru.
This one.
Baru.
Oh, this one new come.
Baru beli.
This one's new?
Yeah, this
okay.
one new.
Yeah. Yeah.
Buat 3 hari. 3 hari.
Oh, just 3 days already.
3 days?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just 3 days.
Brand new. Yeah. So, where do you find your cars?
Di mana Bapak menemukan Volvo ini gitu di mana?
Dari customer.
From the customers.
Customer cars. Yeah. Okay. So, do you use Facebook Marketplace?
Bapak punya Facebook Marketplace gitu jual di Facebook kalau gitu-gitu.
Enggak.
Oh enggak.
Orang yang kenal saya.
Oh no. Just people knows the.
Just people know.
People knows the.
Oh, great.
He wants to buy another from another on like a marketplace like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Just somebody come here to selling that the car.
Yeah. So
that
they
one.
just bring him the
Yeah,
car.
yeah.
And then he buys it.
Yeah, and he checks the oil engine like that.
Yeah.
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 Sekalian begitu sekalian kesini mau perbaikan.
Mm.
Mendingan jual sekalian.
Somebody come here the first for the fixing the car,
Yeah.
but until but the finish he sell the car to the
Then buys
yeah.
it. Yeah.
Jadi gini katanya, daripada saya perbaikan mahal, lebih baik dijual aja.
Because for fixing the car is very expensive. That's why they selling the car.
So I'd like to know his first car as well.
Bapak pertama punya mobil Volvo apa Pak?
244,
244.
275 tahun
7
75.
years. 70. Yeah.
1970.
Yeah, 1970.
Yeah.
Beli 600.000
What? Just 600,000 rupiahs. The car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
tahun 92.
So what is your favorite car in your current collection?
Favorit mobilnya yang mana Pak? Dari koleksi yang ada gitu.
Dulu waktu masih ada ya, station wagon.
Wagon apa?
245.
Oh, station wagon 245.
Yeah,
That's her favorite.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's your favorite.
Oh, have already on the newspaper.
It's been in the newspaper.
Yeah.
Punya 3.
Oh, punya 3.
Station tahun 76 semua.
On the 1976 or 76.
Okay.
Semua. Tahun 76 semua.
76 sama 90.
Oh, 76 and 90.
Yeah.
Yeah. Station wagon.
Yeah. So do you like any other models of car? You've got the Patrol, the Mercedes-Benz. Is there anything else to complete your collection? Or one last car that he wants?
Masih ada koleksi yang kurang nggak selain Patrol, Mercedes-Benz sama Jeep yang tadi? Apa yang kurang, yang belum ada?
Saya masih ada di teman saya di Cibur, Jakarta. Ada FJ 40.
FJ?
Hartop.
Oh, ya.
Like on your shirt?
Ya.
Ada 3. 240 ada. Seri 2 masih ada.
Oh.
244.
He still have on the Jakarta have the like a hardtop. What this name? Land Cruiser like that.
Yeah.
I have a 3.
Oh, so he has more cars still in Jakarta.
Yeah. You have 3. 3 more.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I love that so much. How much does it cost to get you to restore a car?
Berapa banyak uang yang harus kita punya untuk restorasi ini, Pak?
Pelan-pelan sih.
Oh.
Punya ini sedikit. Gitu.
Jadi totalnya kalau mau di uang itu berapa sih Pak kira-kira gitu? Costingnya tuh berapa sih?
Aduh, nggak tahu ya.
Too much?
He don't know because he built like a slowly little by little.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nggak sekaligus.
Yeah.
I've shown him my 2 cars, my orange car and my blue car. Which one does he like the best?
Mana yang lebih bagus Pak dari mobil dia? Yang orange atau yang biru katanya? Yang Bapak yang pernah diliatin? Orange one.
The orange one?
Orange tuh modifikasi.
Ya, modifikasi.
Saya senang yang biru yang kemarin.
He better love the blue one because the original.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
like that.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
the orange
the original
have the original have a modification, right?
Yeah. And it's hard to modify cars here.
Yeah. He loves original, full original. He loves.
Itu ada.
I noticed looking.
Yeah,
at this,
that's why full
he
original.
likes original. Yeah.
Yeah.